We're going to use these. Definitely this. One of these. A lot of the stuff in here. And this. To take down this. And we're going to do all that right now. How to demolish an old deck. First, some caution and some Gorilla Tape. I like this clear stuff. It comes off the roll easily. He said, it comes off the roll easily. It's really sticky, but it comes off and tears oh so wonderfully. Gorilla Tape. Next, handrail. As you can see, one, two of the three sides of this deck are already gone. The reason for that, kind of a unique situation. The siding on this house was remediated from the leaky stucco to this new stuff. So this is kind of an uncommon condition, but regardless, I would do this anyway, which is, I'm going to take my circle saw, I'm going to cut all those 2x2s, they're just face nailed to the band joist. And then I'm just going to let that fall as a unit. Come with me. Then, do the old switcheroo. Bye-bye. God, that's fun. Okay, so the decking here is running diagonally, so I don't really have a first board. I can't really get into the meat of her here. So what I did is I took my circle saw, I made one relief cut here, one here, then I'm going to take this and knock that plug out like that. Down! Then I'm going to take, get out of here, the old Nestor bars, see if I can make any headway with this diagonal orientation. Once I get one of these boards out, I'll be able to make my way gingerly that way, and that way, get these out of here. Now we're in there like swimwear. Here's a unique problem. Trying not to land a crumpled mess on the ground here. It is not inconceivable that this deck, which has been cut away from the house, could topple over. To solve that little conundrum, I'm going to slam in a couple of diagonals to stiffen this puppy up. How's that for a weird little problem? Turn and burn. The old Nestors works just as well in this orientation as it does in this one. Man, what an inventive tool. Demo tip. As I said in my groundbreaking shed demolition video, it's not inconceivable because a lot of this is spring-loaded and heavy, and footing is certainly not your average run-of-the-day footing. It is not inconceivable, he said, to be yanking on one of these and fling yourself ass over tea kettle. So be mindful that when stuff is sprung, that energy has to go someplace, and you don't want it to go through your body. You want it to just go out of the system. It's kind of a head scratcher here. Normally on a deck demo, I get after these nails and whatever's going on at the ledger connection and disable the joist that way. This, good video shooting, Mark, is not connected at the ledger. So I don't even know if I was on camera, I'll shoot a little video of it. So what I think I'm going to do is reach into my tree cutting toolbox. I'm going to undercut this such that I think this piece is going to tip this way. So we'll find out about that right now. And this should be free. They might have gun nailed these from underneath. That could be something that's going on there. So it goes, so it goes. This post and beam scenario is what I will refer to as a pre-dynamic load. In other words, there's a span, there's heavy stuff, it's anchored at each end, and stuff could go wrong if I'm not careful. So what I'm going to do is lighten it in sections and pick it apart, make it light and easier to manage. Get out! See, it should drop. No anchors to the footing, it's just sitting there. That's what I mean by a pre-dynamic load. It's dynamic once it's moving. You don't want it moving. Bye-bye, deck. Hello, rain. And that, people of the good ship deck. That's all she wrote. I'll see you on the next one. How to demolish a deck.